Hey everyone, I'm Shashank from Team Lanzers, and with my teammates Divish and Agrim, we are building a very cool product for students. We are building Lanzers, which is a student-focused freelancing platform. As we all know, as a college student, we face a lot of difficulties while getting freelance gigs and managing them, like building contracts, invoices, quotations, and everything. So to solve all these problems in one stop, we are building Lancers. So this is the first week of building Lancer. Me and my teammates have been pushing a lot of code into the GitHub repository, and right now you can see this code is open on my screen where we are developing the invoices. So the first feature we have developed is the invoice feature because after the payment, when the customer has to pay, or the freelancer has to give a invoice to the customer. This is a lot of very difficult situation because there are a lot of invoice generation platforms, but they are paid or they are different platforms, so everything becomes cluttered up. So instead of using different platforms, we are integrating everything in the same place. So as you can all see the code, let's go to the application right away. So this is the login page for platform Lancers, and let's log in with Google. We have implemented Google OAuth in this system, so we have to log in with our Google account. And as we log in, I'm choosing this ID to log in. And as soon as we sign into our application, we are redirected to our dashboard. So let's wait for the dashboard is coming up, and yes, we have the dashboard on screen. So the dashboard is yet in building, and it says so dashboard coming soon. But we have built the invoice feature, which is a very cool feature. So let's go to invoices. And as we go to the invoices are loading, and yes, here it is. So I have added an invoice in the name of Devesh. Of course, he's my friend. And here is the superficial detail of that invoice so that the users can view that which invoice they are going to preview. So here comes the preview option where user can just preview the invoice. Before preview, I would like to tell you that how to add an invoice. So there is a invoice button out here which is says add new. So when you click on this button, you are redirected to an invoice creation screen where you can create an invoice. The invoice ID is assigned automatically, which is a UUID and unique ID. So all the details you can fill up here. Like let's just fill up some random details out here. Okay, recipient email xyz@gmail.com. Anything out here? Okay, anything out here? Anything out here? XYZ. Okay, anything? Gmail.com. And let's go to here. Type any address. Type any address. Let's add some items. Okay, first some item, some item, some item. Let's add some price, and let's write some additional notes and click on save. As we click on save, your invoice has been created. So the invoice has been created. Now I have to see that where the invoice came. So I'll be again coming here. So you can see the invoice is here. This invoice is here and the total sum is just like written here. So let's go and preview one of the invoices. So I will just preview the first invoice that has been created in the name of the wish, and let's go and preview the invoice. So the whole invoice preview is available here where the items whatever has been assigned and their description, price, subtotal, GST, everything has been written, and all the addresses, bill to address, and everything is present here. Also you can print this out page out, like if you want to print a hard copy, you can print a hard copy of it and it will just print it. So it is as simple as that. You have just click on save and it will be saved. In future we will be like adding features to send this invoice directly on WhatsApp or in different platforms, and also to download these, like download feature is still available, but a specific PDF download feature would be available. So this is the first feature in the first week of the build space, and we hope that we will build this project really cool, and a lot of student freelancers will get a real help by using this platform. Thank you, and let's build a product.